On installing my front suspension and my 73 Challengers. So what I have is the QA1. It's kind of just sitting on the jack here. I have the QA1 control arms, upper and lower. As you can see right there, upper control arms, lower control arms. I got the whole QA1 kit with the shocks, the sway bars, dynamic strut bars, K-member. So what I'm doing right now is these holes where the bolts go were rusty. So I was just running a tap through and kind of cleaning them up a little bit. Wanted to take a moment and get the GoPro out and kind of film. I've had some guys tell me I have a lot of parts. I'll just do a quick little rundown here. I've got no, you can't really see it, but it's a 440 stroked out to a 512. Over there in that box right there, you can see on the side, TCI Automotive. It's a 727. Got a slapstick. And then off in my cabinet here, it's kind of a tight spot. I've been redoing my kitchen and whatnot. But the Baer brakes, front and rear, Holley FI, wiring harnesses, there's the shifter, fuel pump, water pump, doing a Holley or a Mr. Gasket electric water pump with the Holley. I will control it. But yeah, I got all kinds of parts. So was told by a couple guys I should probably film it. So here I am. If it sucks, I'm sorry. Alright, what's up guys? I'm on, actually let me show you what I got here. So I got the Baer SS4 plus 11-inch brakes, front and rear. This is all the front kit. I'm only gonna do the front today probably. Unboxing video, show you what all is in here and what all looks like and whatnot. Get you set up here. Hope you can I'm out in the sun. You know, obviously I've already unboxed this to make sure everything's here. Everything's in the boxes. Wind's gonna start blowing. Ooh, look at those. Drilled, slotted, 11-inch calipers or rotors. Ooh, doggy. Got the hubs. Hell yeah. Those pretty nice, shiny. All this to go on a car with rusted out quarter panels. Things we do for hot rods. Alright, so got our two calipers, our mounts for the calipers, nice hubs, real nice hubs, drilled slotted rotors, fancy. Now I'm gonna see what all it takes to put these on. I know here's the spindles, they're a little dirty, but I know what did I do with them? I don't remember what I did with the instruction manual, but I do know that these, like the factory driver one has to go on the passenger side, the factory passenger has to go on the driver to reorientate the caliper. But yeah, I'm gonna see what all it takes and try to get these put on today. Man, they look good. Alright, so I got my Baer brakes all unboxed, starting to put, and I noticed on the spindles that I'm going to try to do this as best as I can one-handed. So they go in there like that. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now it all looks fine and dandy until you realize that that bolt hole doesn't line up in there. So you got one or two options, which you can mill this down right there. But then the other option is to grind. See that little ridge right there all the way down? You can grind that down, and then it hits in this corner right in there. So we got to grind that out a little bit so that these little points right here and here will sit down, and then this right here goes right in there and will sit flush. So we've got to try to, I really hope you guys can see this. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Here, I'll show you this right here. Should be able to see what I'm doing. If not, sorry. One thing I will say, I've never had brakes like so nice that you have to space and shim the rotor or the caliper so that you're, I think it's 0.005 or 0.05, I don't remember. But yeah, this side's all done. Gonna go through and make sure everything's torqued to spec and put the wheel on and button all the rest of this stuff up, and then